Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jọ dìrọ̀. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí ènìyàn.
Place this in your room, anywhere in your room. To make you remember your dream, to make you remember every of your dream, and to draw good luck into your life, and to draw favour into your life, and to make your dream come true by the grace of God. If you are kind of person that always have a dream, and whenever you wake up, you easily forget your dream, it's not good. It's not good. You see, this tip is very powerful. There are many ways to use these materials, but today I will explain how to use these simple materials. If you are kind of person that always forgets your dream, and this tip, it also work to draw favour into your life and to help you to make your dream come true. So believe me, when you keep this inside your room, it doesn't mean if you keep it under your bed, you can keep it anywhere in your room. You will remember every of your dream. Yes, and it will also help you to achieve your goal. So what are the materials? The first material is salt. While the second one is sulphur, the third one is nílò, abẹ́rẹ́. So how to do it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Láti, also known as Baba Ewinje. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. If you need any of my books written in English and Yoruba language, check the description of this video. You will see the link. So check the description of this video. You will see the link there. So today, I want to explain how to use salt. How to use salt, sulphur, and nílò. If you are kind of person that always have a bad dream, one, and you always forget your dream, two, and to attract a good luck, favour into your life, three, and to help you to achieve your goal. To help you to achieve your goal, I will advise you to try this tip. It's very simple and very, very effective. Please just follow my instruction, because Yorùbá sọ pé ẹ̀sà bí ológun ṣe ní kẹ́ ẹ̀sà. Don't do it on your own. I am the owner of the tip. You are not the owner. So I am the owner of the tip. So please follow my instruction according how I explain it. If you do it on your own, you are on your own. Yes. So what are we going to do? You go to any market to get a salt. It doesn't matter if it is natural salt, local salt, or those refined salts. Just get a salt. Then get a sulphur. Go to market. If you get to all these people selling spiritual markets, spiritual materials, tell them that you want to buy miojo. We call it miojo in Yoruba language. It's also called surphur. Yes. Grind it to become a powder. Then mix it with salt. Are you with me? Mix the surphur and salt together. Then put it inside a cup or plastic rubber, white plastic rubber. Are you with me? Then you get a needle. It doesn't matter if the needle is long or short. Needle is needle. Just get 9 needle. 9. If you're a man, get a 9 needle. If you're a woman, get 9 needle. 9 needle. That is success number. 9 needles. Get 9 needles. Needles. Put it inside the powder. Are you with me? Just put it inside the powder and use the powder to cover it. If you want to do it, you can put the needle inside the plastic rubber and use the powder to cover it. That's all. You don't have to add any other thing to it. You don't need to bait with this. You are not going to mix it with soup. Put the needle inside a white plastic rubber. Then use the powder to cover it. Place it anywhere in your room. You can also place it under your bed, or you place it anywhere in your room. That is how to do it. You keep it there for some times, but I will advise you to keep it at least for a month. Keep it in your room at least for a month. Within that a month, believe me, you will give me a good testimony by the grace of God. Yes, it's very simple. Just 3 materials: surphur, salt, and needles. 9 needles for both women and men. 9 needles. That is what you are going to use. If you want to achieve your goal, you want to stop the bad dreams, and you want to remember all your dreams, and you never have a bad dream, believe me, just follow my instruction. That is how to do it. Èyí tí mo mú wá ní òní, orí bí a ṣe ń lo iyọ̀, ìmí ọjọ́ àti abẹ́rẹ́. Tá bá jẹ́ nìkan tó bá máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan ní gbogbo ìgbà, a máa ń gbàgbé àlá ní gbogbo ìgbà míì. Tàbí ìwọ tó yẹ pé o ti máa ń lálàá, wọ́n ti sọ fún ẹ pé lágbájá o, àlá tó lá lénìí yìí, nǹkan báyìí wá gbé sí ilé ayé, tó wá retí nǹkan yẹn títí tí nǹkan yẹn ò tíì ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé ayé ẹ̀. Lóòótọ́, Ọlọ́run Ọba ó ṣe àlá lílá ní mẹ́séjì fún gbogbo wa ni. Ó ṣòro láti kí Ọlọ́run kó fara hàn wá ká rí face to face. Àmọ́ a máa rán àwọn nǹkan kan wá tí ó máa jẹ́ mẹ́séjì fún wa. Ibẹ̀ ni àlá wà. Ìwọ tó wá jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé kì í lálàá, tó kì í lálàá rárá, ayé ò ní mú wa tọmọtọmọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ wọlé sí ẹ lára ni. Tàbí ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé òun lálàá tó tún máa ń gbàgbé àlá ẹ̀, lọ gbìyànjú nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí. Èyí tí mo mú wá, òun náà ni ẹ jẹ́ ká wá iyọ̀ síbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá mi ọjọ́. Tó bá jẹ́ pé powder wà lára, ẹ jẹ́ ká pò pọ̀ mọ́ yọ̀. Tàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé èyí tí wọ́n ti lọ̀ ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ká pò pọ̀ mọ́ yọ̀. Sáà tí pò pọ̀ mọ́ yọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká da abẹ́rẹ́ 9 ọkùnrin o, abẹ́rẹ́ 9 obìnrin, abẹ́rẹ́ 9, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sínú ike kan. Sáà tí dà síbẹ̀ yẹn ni, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká da èyí tá a lọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká dà lé lórí. Tá bá ti dà lé lórí, ó ti tán o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́ síbi kan nínú yàrá wa. Tó bá wù wá, ẹ jẹ́ á gbé síbẹ̀ forever. Àmọ́ ṣẹ́ rẹ̀ kò ju oṣù kan lọ. Tó bá wà nínú ilé láàrin oṣù kan, gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ń sùn nínú yàrá ẹ̀ yẹn, kódà tó bá jẹ́ pé o ya ayálégbé ni ẹ́, tẹ́nìkan wọ ẹ wá ńjọ́ kan tó sùn nínú yàrá ẹ̀, kò ní fẹ́ kó nínú yàrá ẹ̀ máa ní jọ̀wọ́ tó bá ti fẹ́ kó kúrò níbí sọ fún mi, wọn dẹ̀ ní mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe. Àràgbé láyé, odò láyé, ẹni bá mọ̀ ọ́ wẹ̀ ló lè káyé já. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ wo èyí tí mo mú wálé náà ni kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Tí Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí ìwé ń jẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà mi, á tún múrọ̀ mi tuntun yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mẹ́ta àti ṣe àti èyí tá a ti ṣe torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. A wà lórí Facebook náà, a tún máa ń mú àwọn nǹkan tuntun míì wá tá a tún máa ń bára wa sọ lórí Facebook. Ìgbà míì a máa ń wà ní live tá a máa ń bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kéékèèké àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ lórí Facebook. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ join Facebook page mi olóń display ojú screen yìí, èmi náà ni mo wà ń bẹ̀, wọn ò ní fẹ́ lómi sí ní agbára Ọlọ́run.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lóní gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Allah.